Hi guys, Paul here from Pilgrim MotorSports and Muscle Car UK, and we've got a proper muscle car for you here today. Have a look at this Dax Cobra. Absolutely beautiful, one owner from new. The gentleman built it himself and done a superb job, in fairness to him. And we've just taken it in part exchange for one of our modern Mustangs. And he's driven it and enjoyed it for a long time. And I've got to say, he's done it beautifully. The colour scheme with the interior, the engine, etc. He's done a beautiful job. Come and have a look. I mean, you can see it's in this metallic mid-grey, which is absolutely beautiful, and he's had it painted with these stripes as well, which is the silver on it. And as you can see here, all lovely, these little shells, air ducts to cool the engine, all the bumper in chrome. The number plate comes with it, so it has got a sort of Cobra number to it, but absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. It's got the 4-into-1 exhaust, it's got the Edelbrock replica wheels. Look at the size of this wheel at the back here, it's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely huge, with the depth of it it's got there. Running on Jaguar running gear, so really like top end, limited slip diff on the back. It's got the rollover bars, and these are the 3-legged ones, which are really attractive. And it's got the wheel ends racing seat belts, which are in a similar colour to the interior. But as you can see, what he's done with the interior is beige leather, beautifully done. And he's taken a great deal of time in doing those little bits that some people rush at the end of a build. But he's done a fabulous job. Motor Lita steering wheel, beautiful chrome gear stick. I haven't seen one of these. I really love this sort of dogleg gear stick that he's done here. It's absolutely stunning. And as you can see, all the dials in, he's done everything in chrome. Beautifully done, beautifully done. Carpets in that lovely grey, piped edge, leather in beige. Just a real great car. Beautiful car all the way around. He's done some touring in it. It has been to Europe and back. And let's have a look in here and see what is going on. There you go. What a fantastic. You can see his eye for detail is really fantastic. Beautifully done with all this sort of stainless steel inner wings, beautiful blue pipe work. I mean, this is a 350 Chevy engine, which has been stroked to 383, so it's a stroked engine, so it is extremely powerful, very fast, and a great fun car to drive. And of course it sounds magnificent as well. But you can see all the little bits and pieces, the alternator, the brackets, the wheels, they've all been done in chrome to really give it that wow factor. And this is how the car is underneath. He's fitted power steering to this, electric power steering. He's fitted electric handbrake to it. It really is a top build. And if you're looking for a Cobra, this has got to be one of the most attractive ones that I've seen for a long time. Beautifully done, beautifully prepared, looked after and closeted all its life. What a great car. If you want to come down, have a test drive, have some fun in this, wow, this really is a special Cobra. Come down, have some fun. Speak to you soon.